What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video. Happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. You're probably bored, so I'm trying to give you a little something to do. First up, over here at Lowe's, we have your Rakuten, because Rakuten right now is giving away $40 cash back when you sign up using the link in the description. That's the only way you're gonna get the the bonus $40. You gotta use the link in the description. Plus, they're offering 3% cash back over at Lowe's, and we got some deals at Lowe's, like this DeWalt oscillating tool. I know I talked about this before, but you guys are not understanding. You're not understanding that this oscillating tool alone is normally $149. Nothing else. Nothing else. And yes, this is a dinky battery. It's a 1.3 amp hour battery. So what? It's enough, okay? I've actually used this battery with this oscillating tool and gotten work done just fine. And it wasn't a big deal. Charging the bag for $99 plus your $40 and 3% cash back. What are you waiting for? Moving on. We have this DeWalt deal, this drill and impact driver, two 2 amp hour slim shady batteries with the charger and the bag for $169. And now when you consider what Milwaukee is offering you in their M12 lineup, it's on sale right now for $199, $30 more. This is a really good deal. Or better yet, maybe let's compare apples to apples. Milwaukee's compact M18 lineup. That'd be better, a better comparison. But this is still cheaper. If you bleed yellow, this is not a bad deal right here. All right, now speaking of, now we upgrading here for $299. It's normally $399. You get this big bad boy hammer drill with an 8 amp hour battery and a slim 2 amp hour battery, a rapid charger, an XR impact driver with modes, and a bag for $299. Ooh, this is incredible. Now let's go back to Milwaukee. Their M12 stuff is normally $229. Their little hammer drill with no handle, which would snap your wrist fast. And now their impact driver is good, but I hate the ergonomics of those things. This is super sweet right here. I don't have nothing else to say. This is a super sweet deal. We're used to this being $399. They shaved $100 off for Mother's Day. Get your mom this, get your wife this, and she won't know what to do but give it to you so you can go do the work around the house. Moving on. We have these WEA Terminator Blue Phillips Torx impact driver bits. It's only 7 pieces, but they $2.52. WEA makes them good. They machine that stuff really well. And $2.52, I wonder if it'll be free delivery. It should. If it is, I'm going to get some for $2.52. And then get your 3% cash back, man. Well, you save it a whole penny. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's move on. Craftsman 55-foot green line. They had a red one for sale too for a little bit cheaper that does 100 feet, but you're not going to be able to see those red lines. Trust me, you want green lines always with the laser levels. $69, quite a bit off from its normal $109. Finally, we have this Metabo HPT compact brad nailer kit. Now, if you don't know, Metabo HPT, also known as Hikoki, and used to be Hitachi, make some fantastic nailers. It's between them and Milwaukee for nailers, man. You can't go wrong with either one of them. And you're not getting this deal in Milwaukee forever, okay? $149, you might get a Ryobi, but don't get Ryobi over this. Lifetime warranty, 2 amp hour battery charger, and it's going to come with a bag too. They always come with bags. Yeah, man, $149, that's an incredible, insane deal. Now, moving on over to Acme Tools, we have some deals going on there. We have some brand new Metabo HPT tools out, and here is one of them, a brand new hammer drill. Okay, brand new hammer drill that looks slim and compact in size, a lot smaller than the old chunky butt that I have, but I like my 36 volt because, you know, you could plug it into the wall, but there's 18 volt. Let's look at some of the specs, okay? This thing produces 1,240 inch-pounds, which is a lot. It's a lot for a hammer drill. It's a lot. That's 20 inch-pounds more than its old iteration, but at 2,000 RPM, which is fast. You don't really need to go faster than that, but that's fast. Their old one did 2100 RPM. Still sports the reactive force control. So you have your anti-kickback, 7.4 inches in length. I don't recall how long the old one was. I just know that this looks a lot smaller. The review said it's smaller and lighter, but when you look at the weight, this say 4.6 pounds. The other one was 4 pounds, but that was without a battery more than likely. So yeah, this is on sale for $179, but on certain tools from Metabo HPT, they have a buy more, save more, where if you spend $100, you get extra $20, spend $200, you get $50 off, and $300, you get $75 off, but it's not showing up for this one. I would try it anyway, but it's not showing up for that. Now, if you wanted to maybe go with Milwaukee, ergonomics on this thing sucks, but it is a fantastic and one of the best hammer drills out there in this price range, I'll say. It's not the best by a long shot, but in this price range, because you want the best, you got to go Metabo. Not Metabo HPT. We talking about German, green, and red Metabo, but you dropping some coin over there. $224.63 for this kit. Hammer drill, 2 5-amp hour batteries, a charger, and a hard case. Now, this is on a BOGO. I just want to show you that, and you get a free 5-amp hour battery, but it's already coming with 5-amp hour battery, so you don't really need that. Add that to the cart, and you get it for the $224, whatever it was I said. That's not a lot more than this. $50 extra. You get a charger, 2 batteries, a hard case. Man, you might want to go with that. But you get the 5-year warranty, and you get a lifetime warranty with the Metabo HPT. Moving on, Metabo HPT has just also released a new compact impact wrench that is keeping up with the new compact DeWalt and the Makita from a year or two ago. Now, this bad boy produces 225 foot-pounds of fastening and 433 foot-pounds of loosening. Now, the DeWalt and the Makita, I believe, advertise higher numbers, but again, everyone lies. So I wonder what this would actually do on a torque test dyno. Let's all ask them to buy this and test this bad boy out so we know we can get it. $179, and again, it has that buy more, save more going on. So this is actually $159, and also you have Rakuten over here as well. 2% cash back, and you get that $40 bonus. So you're looking at, $119. Not a bad deal right there. So moving on over to Home Depot, we have this Ryobi 80 volt riding lawnmower marked down from $5,000 to $3,000. It used to be $6,000, so it's half price from a year ago. Now, people love this thing. They said the joystick takes a little getting used to. Some people love it. Some people are like, it's a learning curve. But here's the biggest complaint with this lawnmower. Once you buy from Home Depot, when they deliver it, it's used or the batteries don't work, it's been sitting. Now, here's what Ryobi is telling everyone to do. Do not buy the one that's already assembled, because those are the ones that are just sitting there at Home Depot. You want one that you have to assemble, that's crate shipped directly from Ryobi. That's going to be brand new. No one has issues with those, and it's pretty easy to put together. I think they just said you have to install the joystick, install the seat, and it's quick, fast, and you get yourself a super fresh lawnmower for the 3-ski. Finally, Direct Tools, not Tools Direct, which, by the way, did restock on eBay. I'll leave a little link to that as well. As you can see right here, these guys did restock a little bit. It's almost 300 items now. And then you also have your Rakuten over here at eBay. So there you have that. I'll leave a link there. But Direct Tools is having a sale, a Mother's Day sale, 30% off a lot of items. We have like this Ryobi caulk gun, $49. We have this jigsaw. I'm so used to seeing Tool Direct prices. When I see this, I want to take an additional 30% off. I gotta fix my brain, which is so crazy because look, they looking the same, right? But these are two different companies, all right? But yeah, jigsaw, $42. You have your compact router, $49, and it's just the whole site. So check it out. Hammer drill, $98. But here's the thing: they do have shipping. Okay, flat rate shipping is gonna be $15. So make sure if you're gonna buy something, try to get at least 2 things and make sure it's worth it because of the shipping costs. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from today's video, I ask that you like, comment, Share it with your brethren. Subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. And I will see you guys next time.